Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amin Haikal bin Khairul Anwar. Nama matrix DE210078. I will present for the introduction part for the group 2. Okay, for the introduction, the concept of a self-running generator is using the concept of energy. This prototype is using coil turns to generate electromagnetic energy to generate power and turns on a simple load such as light emitting diode LED. As an overview of previous research, there are many types of self-generators that are built to prove that free energy exists. But then in reality, it doesn't work if we are just using a magnet coil and motor. By referring to the previous prototype, one technical problem has been identified. The generator doesn't excite its rate voltage. This problem occurs in plants as take in account that loses high field current resistance and field coil misconception. In this project, the main focus of this project is to build a mini generator that will excite voltage to turn on the LED. The first impression of this project is to turning on the LED after the self-excitation process occurs in the magnet.
Assalamualaikum and good day to Dr. Afarul. My name is Muhammad Fakrul Akudin bin Muhammad Nasir. My metric number is CE210147. So for this presentation, I will explain the methodology of self-running generator by using electromagnetic concept. So the first step is begin with searching for types of prototype, where we are referring to the source such as YouTube as the first step to having an overview of the project. The second step is followed by doing a research on self-running generator concept, where we are referring to the articles and journals that are related to the concept to having an idea. The third step is followed by brainstorm the ideas to choose types of prototype. So for this part, we are having a discussion with group members to decide and also choose the suitable shape of the prototype. And the next step is we are commencing to build the prototype that we have decided before. And the last one is we are doing some testing on the prototype to get data, and also we are doing analysis on the prototype to ensure it works properly. So basically there are 5 steps that we are having to make this prototype. So in the end of the poster, if you look at in the bottom, that is our product for this project. Thank you. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Daniel. Today I will present about result and discussion. Okay, first, discussion. Electromagnetism is the phenomenon that deals with the interaction between an electric field and a magnetic field. Stationary charges in a system lead to an electric field, and moving charges in a system lead to a magnetic field. The direction of the electric field and magnetic fields is always perpendicular to each other, and the waves travel at the speed of light. It is proved that a varying electric field leads to a magnetic field, and a varying magnetic field leads to an electric field. Observation. From the data, we can observe that the voltage flow is higher when we install the battery, but it becomes decreased when we uninstall the battery. After that, the current flow is higher when we apply the battery, and it becomes lower without the battery. The data is higher when we install the battery because the battery supplied 7 volts to the motor and the circuit. When the battery is uninstalled, the voltage in the circuit becomes lower because it depends on the speed of the motor. Application. First, doorbells. The mechanism of these everyday gadgets involve the circulation of an electric charge by an electromagnet, whose magnetic field attracts a tiny metal hammer to a bell, interrupting the circuit and allowing it to start again. So the hammer repeatedly hits, it produces the sound and that catches our attention. Second, bicycle lights. The lights built into the front of bikes, which come on when traveling, operate thanks to the spinning of the wheel to which a magnet is attached. The spinning of which produces a magnetic field and therefore a modest source of alternating electricity. Said electric charge is then LED to the light bulb and translated into light. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi. So today we're gonna explain about the project that we had, which is magnetic generator project. Okay, first of all I will explain about the item that we use, which is copper wire with diameter 0.51 mm, single core wire N35, neodymium magnet, flank bearing, 12-volt motor DC, PVC pipe, solder, double-sided tape and board. Okay, now as you can see, this is our project that we have done. Actually, this project will success, and as you can see, right, okay, now we put the battery to trigger the motor, and then the motor will spin, and after we take the battery, the motor will also continue spin. That's all from me, thank you.
Hello and Selamat Sejahtera. My name is Jaswindas and Kanadas. My matrix number is AE2028. Now I'm going to present to you the conclusion and recommendation for our project. As in summary, the test findings were good, even though we faced a lot of problems which it's not exciting the desired voltage. The construction is also fairly straightforward and well within the skills of the typical handyman. It should be noted that an electromagnet shielded magnet motor achieves continuous spinning. This break-free rotation results in the generation of continuous electric power. This design might be a game changer in the realm of free energy research. It is now feasible to generate free electricity from household items. Magnets and simple motors may be used to demonstrate the notion of free energy. This magnet-based knowledge has been with us from the beginning of power generation utilizing conventional energy sources. Next, the recommendation for the project. As for the future recommendation, the magnet was implemented in this research to generate a little quantity of electrical power. As a result, the task may be completed by improving the arrangement to achieve maximum power. Furthermore, the research may be expanded by producing magnetic pistons, magnetic pumps, magnetic water heaters, magnetic water purifiers, and so on. That's all from me. Thank you.